Hi, reimagine meeting experiences with Microsoft Teams-enabled devices for shared spaces connecting people. Working in the office with those working from home has never been more important. Microsoft Teams devices help power more inclusive and efficient meetings for people everywhere, and touchless experiences help you interact with these devices without worry. Kick off a meeting in a conference room using your personal device or using voice commands. Hey Cortana, join my meeting. Enrich your conference room experiences with coordinated meetings, a new way to collaborate that brings Microsoft Teams rooms and a Surface Hub together. You can use your Teams mobile app to interact with meeting room devices. Room capacity notifications help remind you of social distancing requirements by alerting you when there are too many people in a room to ensure everyone's voice is heard, no matter their location. Participants can now raise their hand to get the room's attention, and live captions make it easy to follow along. Use your personal Surface Pro X Pen to collaborate and interact on a Surface Hub. And whether you're in the room or anywhere else, you can still work together from your own device. End the meeting from your personal device. Use a voice command. And Anna, end my meeting or just walk away. With touchless experiences on Teams, devices in Microsoft 365, hit like or follow us for more. Thank you.